you doing with that bottle cap? You look like Ojita. Just an Ojita I know. Oh, look at Vivi. Being aggressive as always. Oh, Victoria has come to play with Diana. Or not. Or she's come to steal the bottle cap. Who is this? Ah, not even in the same litter. It's, Joe. Andrea. Look at that. We got a Dougie on the loose. Don't go too far. I'm gonna get that squeaker. I guess it just works for some of them. Got Talia, aka Dante, but less Dante. Then we got Rosa, aka Rosa, but more Rosa. Chula, but more Rosa. Vivi, no aggression here. We aren't aggressive over here, Vivi. Who is this with you? It's Vivi. You guys need to be a little less aggressive though. A little less aggro. Wait. That better not be Diana. I always get them confused. Okay, cool. It is Vicky. Stop biting me. I'm just trying to stop you from fighting. Is there anyone I haven't shown? I think I haven't shown Nosferatu and
Stage 3 or 4?
the name's gonna be changed anyway. They're all playing next to me now. Oh, they're following me. Get away from me. Nosferatu. Fatatu.
This is because you didn't want the doctor fingers in your butt?
Dougie, but up close is what we needed. There's the Dougie. That's enough Dougie. No, that's enough Dougie. Don't follow me. Get away from me. Oh no, that's enough Dougie for me. Looks like someone's coming, and it is Diana. Diana. They got a Rosa over there. But I think I introduced them all.